how can you fix this problem on your uh, design home app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Then all, so it's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do, just go down here. Then you click here on apps. So then you come to apps list here, and here can you looking for design home app, or just click here on search. So then here add design home, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then you come to next step here, click here on first stop, then you click here on OK. So you click here on OK, then you go down, click here on storage, then you click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click on Play Store, and here search for design home. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like